If you can use these 4 pressures to explain fluid movement in the capillaries, congrats on your 528. Blood hydrostatic pressure is the pressure that the fluid in the capillaries exerts on the walls of the capillaries, and it points from the capillaries to the tissues just as shown by those blue arrows. When this increases, that will result in more fluid going to the tissues. When it decreases, less fluid goes to the tissues. The number one thing that affects the blood hydrostatic pressure is blood volume. As blood volume goes up, so does the blood hydrostatic pressure. And also, if the blood is traveling this way and you have blockage down here, then that's going to cause an increase of hydrostatic pressure upstream where we first started. Next, we have blood osmotic pressure. This is the pulling force that solutes in the blood exert on the fluid that's in the tissue. So it's pulling fluid from the tissue into the capillary, as shown by those green arrows. If you increase the amount of solutes like sodium in the blood, that's going to increase the blood osmotic pressure. As that increases, more fluid moves into the blood, and as it decreases, less fluid moves into the blood. Next, we have the tissue osmotic pressure. This is the pulling force that solutes like sodium in the tissue have on fluid in the blood. As shown by these orange arrows, that's going to pull fluid from the blood into the tissues. And as that increases, more fluid moves into the tissues. As it decreases, less fluid moves into the tissues. The last one is tissue hydrostatic pressure, and this is the pressure exerted by the fluid in the tissue. As shown by the pink arrows, this pushes fluid from the tissue into the capillaries. As the volume of the fluid in the tissue increases, so does the tissue hydrostatic pressure.